Let's do a skim reset again on a JTAC Plus unit. 2001 JTAC controller, 2001 Dakota connections, and here we go. The first step is to identify what kind of JTAC controller is this, which I know already. It is JTAC Plus, and here we go. And to get the right VIN number, it's right there, and the part number. Okay. Now the second process I will do is the skim reset. So begin skim reset. What we want to see is it will tell me if it's done correctly. I will get the message. Communication line is trying to connect, and here we go. Okay, so now we have win written on this JTAC, and it's all good. Thanks for watching.